Hi guys, welcome back to Carl's channel. Yeah, so today we are going to talk about the controversial issue which has been going around about the LGBTQ. Juzi mmeona the Supreme Court yenye iko overall the land ilipitisha the rule that the LGBTQ persons can register it under the NGOs. Yeah, so today I'm going around asking people about their views on the same, what they think about it, and then we yes. So what do you think about it? I'll be going around asking them. I want to hear their views and see what they think about it. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned as I'll be doing so. Yeah. So guys, on to my first guest. I'll ask her a take on the LGBTQ. Yeah. So you're going to tell us your name.
Yeah, I'm Daisy Bet.
Yeah, she's Daisy. So, what do you think? Juzi, we saw that the High Court, Supreme, ilipitisha the rule that the LGBTQ persons can register it under the NGOs. So, what is your take? What do you think about it?
Okay, personally, I'm against it like fully. I think it is, first of all, I think it's because of the way I was raised by my mom and dad. Just how I was raised generally, like the environment I was raised in, we don't support that. And I personally, I don't support that too, because I think if these guys are going to like want to be in that community, I guess they're just supposed to do their thing. There's no reason for them to come around telling people or telling the whole world to accept them. No, if I was the whole world, then I will definitely say no. No, man. I mean, just do your thing, and then mfanye na huko, and just don't involve the world in it. We don't want that. It's just so absurd. I don't support it. Personally, yes. I don't support it.
So, like, they should, if they want to do their things, they should, like, just do for themselves. See, to involve other people, like, let them do their own things, but see they don't force it on us.
Yeah, I guess just the same way you can start up a church and have so many people like your followers, a large congregation. Nobody cares. You just do your thing. You have your followers. Mm-hmm. You don't force people to come to your church, and you don't force people to accept your church. You don't force people to accept Catholic. You don't force people to accept Christianity. You don't force people to accept the Muslim community. So people are just doing their thing. Okay, you don't tell people to accept you. So just do your thing, and I still say I don't support it. They should just do their thing, but they should not want to be the part of the world. It's just an imaginary world. It's not part of the real world. It's not supposed to be there. Yeah, that's my take on it. I don't support it at all.
Yeah, so like after it has maybe the Supreme Court allowed it that it should be registered under NGOs. So see, it's going to affect us. Like it's going to be a norm, like, you know. So see, now what should be done, because it's soon going to be a law, definitely.
I wish I had the power to tell the High Court or the Supreme Court or whatever it is that they shouldn't actually pass that bill. Like they should pass that law or that bill, for that matter. They shouldn't, and it should also it should also start from home. Like the parents should make sure that none of their kids is ever involved in this. Like they should make sure, like a man was made for a woman, a woman was made for a man. There's a reason that happened, okay? There's a reason why God didn't create a man and then a man again for the man, or a woman first and then a woman again for a woman.
Yeah,
okay,
sure.
Yeah. So it's absurd. You procreate, and there's no way people of the same gender procreate. Even hermaphrodites, they procreate. and they don't have the same organs in the body. They have different organs, male and female. So that's the point. It shouldn't be there. So it shouldn't be passed in the first place. That's so bad. So
Yeah, sure, it should lead because it's going to affect the coming generation.
badly.
Yeah, so thank you. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, you got it. No worries.
Hi,
Hi,
what is your name?
my name is Rebecca.
Yeah, so juzi umesikia that the High Court Supreme Court imepitisha the law that the LGBTQ persons can register their whatever under with the NGOs. So what is your take on it?
Personally, I'm not in for it. I don't take part in it because I believe, first, that is the trick of the enemy to make sure that he has ruined our generation. Because when the Supreme Court has agreed on it to be registered as an NGO, then it means it has corrupted even our students who are still very young. Like when you go to high schools, we try to tell them that they should avoid the issues of lesbianism and gayism, but now by the fact that it is an NGO, you will no longer have the power even to tell them that it is wrong. So the moment it has been agreed upon to be registered as an NGO, it is a trick that will first ruin our students in school, and second, it is coming to like destroy the original purpose and the original plan, because we see even in the Bible it has been stated that God first created a man, then a woman. He didn't create Adam and another Adam. He created Adam and Eve, and the Bible supports that a man will leave his mother and he will go cling to a woman and they will become one. So me don't see the reason why they should tell us that me as Rebecca I should go and have someone, maybe another lady, another Rebecca or Mary, and I take him to be a man, because I believe all of us have done biology here, and we understand we've seen the reproductive system of the male and the female. So there is no way you will prove to me, or there is no way you can convince me that with it being passed as an NGO, it will have any help, because first it has spoils the whole thing of maybe reprocreation, because there will be no reproduction with a man and a man, or a lady and a lady. So for me I don't take a part in it.
Yeah, so like Nimbaya, it's generally bad for our coming generation and the young ones.
Yes, mimi kwangu ni mbaya, and there is no way we can actually have a negotiation whether it is bad or good. It is bad. It is bad. Yes, it's bad or bad. Yes, it's something that should not exist.
Yeah. So thank you for your time.
Most welcome.
Thank you.
Okay.